Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing another unboxing video, and this is for the Easter exclusive from the Pokemon Center, the exclusive plushes, so stay tuned. So I got these from a store on eBay that specializes in importing Japanese products from mainly the Pokemon Center and stuff, so I knew when I saw promo pictures of these plushes I just had to get them. So I received them the other day. They weren't in a box, which is a shame, but it doesn't matter, they came safe and sound. And I missed out on getting them from a shop here in Australia, so I had to search for somewhere else to see if I could get them. So I did pay a little bit more than what they are in retail, just so I could get them to Australia, because we got nothing in Australia and it's just really hard to get things. So I managed to find something from Japan and snagged these two dolls. So they sent me these cute, cool little Rilakkuma tissues, and they got little Rilakkuma prints on them, which is really nice. I always like getting free stuff, so who doesn't? And especially something that's like Rilakkuma or something that is from Japan, I always like getting things like that. So I had to actually check what they were at first. I assumed they were tissues, but I opened them up very gently just to check that they are actually tissues. I probably can't even bring myself to use them. I'm one of those people that don't like using stickers and stuff. I just hoard them, so I'll probably end up hoarding it anyway. Anyway, on to the little plushes. So I got the Pikachu and the Eevee, and I think they call it Eevee or something in Japan. I'm not sure of the Japanese name, but on the tags it says Eevee. So I'll start with the little Eevee. And these were the larger plushes. I know you can get little key rings and stuff of the same plushes that are much smaller, but I wanted to go for the bigger ones. And I thought they were a little bit bigger than this, but I'm glad they're this size. I like plushes that are little, because it doesn't take up so much space. So here we have the little swing tag, and it's so cute. Cute little Eevee drawing. I really like the way they've gone for the aesthetics for this Easter collection. I know you can get a whole lot of different pieces, like stationery and other plushes and stuff like that, but yeah, I really wanted to get these plushes. And these plushes are the most well-made and the softest material. It's so much better than anything that you can buy here in Australia, like the mainstream Pokemon plushes. The stuff from the Pokemon Center just far exceed any other plushes that we get anywhere else, especially in Australia. And yeah, the fabric is just so soft, and probably, you know, I work with a lot of fur fabrics, and I really would like to get my hands on some of this fabric and use it for something, because it's just really, really nice fabric. And the things that drew me to these particular plushes were the fact that they're kind of chibi looking, and I really like the tone that they have. So it's kind of a pastel-y tone rather than the actual solid bright colours of the Pokemon. And you can see here how they have the little details on the bottom of the feet, like little paw pads, and just the stuff here you get don't have that detail. So moving on to the Pikachu, of course. Really liked the look of this Pikachu too, and it is a female Pikachu, you can tell by the little tail. So I'll just get it out of the packaging, and I'm really glad it comes in packaging too. Who doesn't like freshly packaged things? Right, so we had to cut it open. I like to reuse plastic bags than just throw them out, but this one was a little hard to get to. I might still be able to trim it and reuse it, so less rubbish. So here we have the little Pikachu, and I actually think the Eevee's a bit softer than the Pikachu, but you can see the little illustration on the swing tag. And I find it funny that the swing tags are so huge from things from the Pokemon Center. I have things from Pokemon Centers, and the swing tag's just the same size, they're so big. But yeah, I really like the illustrations that they put on these swing tags. So I have another unboxing with something from Mandarake again, so stay tuned for that. And I just really love all the little details that is on the Pikachu doll, and you can see on the tail how it's got the little female tail, so that's how you know it is a male or a female. If you don't know, the male has not those little love heart shape at the edge of it, it has a straight pointy edge. So this is a little female, and it's so cute. They just work so well together, and I think they outdid themselves on this collection. And I know most of the plushes just sold so quickly and straight away. I was a day late because I thought it was the next day, so that's why I missed out on the plushes that were in Australia, unfortunately. But I did get my hands on them. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you have these little plushes? Let me know in the comments. And that is it from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any requests, you can leave it in the comments down below. You can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!
No.